In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add attachments to emails. Adding files to an email is something you'll do all the time, whether you're sending a resume, photos, or important documents. In this tutorial, I'll walk you through how to do it in Gmail step by step, and I'll also share a few tips to avoid common mistakes, like sending the wrong file or forgetting to attach it. First, open Gmail in your web browser and make sure you're signed into your account. Once you're on your inbox page, look for the Compose button. This is usually located in the upper left corner of the screen. Click on Compose and a new message window will appear, typically in the bottom right corner of your screen. In this new message window, you'll see fields for the recipient's email address, the subject line, and the body of the email. Before you add an attachment, it's a good idea to at least fill in the recipient and subject, so you stay organized and know exactly what you're sending. Now, to attach a file from your computer, look at the bottom of the Compose window. You should see a small paperclip icon. This icon represents file attachments. Click on the paperclip and a file browser window from your computer will open. From here, navigate to the folder where your file is stored, click on the file you want to attach, and then click Open or Choose, depending on your system. After a moment, you'll see the file appear at the bottom of the email draft, which means it has been successfully attached. If your file is stored in your cloud drive instead of your computer, look for the drive icon next to the paperclip. Clicking this will open a panel where you can browse your online files. Select the file you want, choose whether to send it as a link or as an attachment if that option appears, and then confirm. Again, you'll see it listed under your subject line once it's attached. Follow any on-screen prompts that appear. For example, Gmail might warn you if a file is too large, or ask whether you want to give the recipient permission to view a file stored in the cloud. Read these messages carefully and choose the appropriate option so the recipient can actually open what you send. Finally, review your email, make sure your attachments are correct, and then click Send. That's all there is to it.